Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am making a second version of the Ho 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 card with a sequined pocket. I saw that card that I made last time from across the room when I was sitting at the kitchen table, and I was thinking, gosh, I really like that. It sparkled all the way across the house, and I had originally had the thought that it would be better to have a Santa sticker on the front of the card to match the Ho 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 theme. So I decided to recreate the sequin mix that I had done. So I've already pre-sewn the tulle to the front of this card, leaving the top open so that I can put these sequins in the mix. And I'm going to learn from my previous card and end up having a nicer distribution of all the sequins, so you guys can learn from my mistakes. So I'll just pour those all in, and then I'll go back and sew up the top. And I'm pretty happy with the way that the sewing comes out. It looks really nice when you have the zigzag pattern, but I find it really hard to do the corners nicely, and typically my corners come out pretty good with the straight line. This one top left corner isn't perfect, and it is too bad that in the end I have a sticker covering the right corner, because it's just a little something that maybe nobody else would even notice, but I would have loved to have covered that left-hand corner. So I'm going to just trim off again all of the little pieces of thread that are left over, as well as the tulle that was overhanging the card. And then I'm going to audition a couple of stickers here. I know that I'm going to use the Santa, but I just wanted to see if maybe it was worth making a third card with this really cute sticker set here together. But I'm gonna put them back so that I can bring the Santa out, which is what I had in mind when I remade this card. So when I shook the card, the sequins kind of happened to leave a blank space just naturally, and it worked out perfectly because I'm gonna add this raised foam backing and put the sticker right down in the center of all of that. So there's already sequins on both the sides and underneath, and so it's perfectly distributed so that it's really well behind. And funny enough that my whole purpose for wanting to redo this card with the Santa was because it said Ho 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 in the background, and you can't even barely see it because it's so covered by all the sequins, which is great. I'm just going to go in again with a little washi and a little sprig to decorate the inside up, and it was as simple as that. So I think I might have to redo this card again, but I hope you enjoy my second rendition. Thanks so much again for watching. See you next time.